Hey guys, so it is July 26th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice once again. And once again, I feel full of just the right amount of energy. I'm not tired, and I have lots of motivation and determination to get things done. I have been up since 6 o'clock this morning. I don't actually mix this stuff up until at least 8 a.m., but I have been up since 6, and I got dressed, and I put on my makeup and my jewelry, and I feel really good about myself today. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut, and 70% of your dopamine is also produced in your gut. So if you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I would highly recommend this stuff because there's a very large connection between the dopamine and serotonin in your gut and the dopamine and serotonin in your brain. If you don't have enough in your gut, you're not going to have enough in your brain.